Hello guys, welcome to Last Minute Prep. My name is Udar Amneni and this is the day 3 of learning IoT. The topics that we're going to cover today is what is machine to machine communication and the state of architecture. We're going to discuss about these two topics that are microprocessor and microcontroller in the upcoming videos. So let's start with the machine to machine or M2M communication. So M2M refers to networking of machines or devices for the purpose of remote monitoring and control and data exchange. Let me tell you what is M2M with a simple example. Consider your house consists of a smart thermostat and an air conditioner. Okay. Let me set what will this thermostat will do? It will measure the room temperature. Okay. Let me set a threshold value of 37 degrees Celsius to this thermostat. When the room temperature exceeds this 37 degrees centigrade, so what will this thermostat will do is it tells the air conditioner to turn on. Okay, so there is no any human interaction between this thermostat and the air conditioner. I hope you understand what this machine to machine communication refers to. So the devices communicate with each other without us needing to do anything. This is called as M2M network. Okay. Okay, this is the end-to-end architecture of these M2M systems. This consists of mainly three parts. One is machine-to-machine area networks, and second one is communication networks, and the application domain. So what is machine-to-machine area networks? So this is where devices like sensors and machines are connected. For example, your smart home devices like thermostats, cameras, form of small network to collect and share information. Okay, and coming to the communication network, this part ensures the data from the devices is sent to the central location, often using the internet and mobile networks like 4G, 5G or other communication methods. So think of it is a delivery system for the data. Okay, and coming to the application domain, so this is where the collected data is processed. Okay, analyzed and used also. For example, in a smart home app on your phone, you can see temperature data and control your devices. Okay, this is the main difference between the IoT and the machine to machine learning. You can see in IoT the cloud acts as a central part. Okay, and for the machine to machine communication, there is no need of any cloud. The device can communicate directly with each other. By seeing this picture, you can understand what is the main difference between this IoT and what is M2M. Okay, and coming to the state of art, the architecture of the IoT. So in Internet of Things or IoT, these sensors, devices, gateway and the cloud are the building blocks that will that make it all work. Okay, let's break it down. Sensors. So what will these sensors do is they will collect the data from the environment like temperature, humidity or light. Okay, for example, think of a motion sensor in a smart home, detects movement in a room. Okay, and coming to devices, what will they do is devices are the action takers that either process data locally or perform actions based on instructions. For example, a smart light bulb, it turns on when it gets a signal from the motion sensor. Okay, and coming to the gateway, gateway is the most important part in the IoT. So what will the gateway do is it connects sensors and devices to the internet. So it translates and transfers data between the devices and the cloud. It is the central part between the devices and the cloud. It takes responsibility for connecting our devices and sensors to the cloud. Okay, let me tell you what is a gateway with a small example. So in your smart home, the gateway ensures the motion sensors data reaches the cloud and sends back the command to the smart bulb. Okay, and coming to the cloud stores, process analyzes all the data collected by the sensors and the devices. It also sends back instructions to the devices. Okay. For example, a cloud stores information about when the lights were turned on, and you can view this data using a smartphone app in your home. Okay. So we had covered the topics, the M2M communication and the state of architecture, and in the next video we'll discuss about this, what the microprocessor and what the microcontroller in detail. Thank you for watching Last Minute Prep.